Hello and welcome to Soarin Over California. My name is Patrick and I'll be your chief flight attendant today. We'll begin boarding in a few minutes, but first I'd like to acquaint you with some important safety information. When the doors to your flight open, please take a seat and store all carry-on items in the underseat compartment. This includes cameras, purses, hats, and of course, these little dudes. Next, fasten your seatbelts, inserting them into the buckle on your right. If smaller aviators don't measure up to the height indicator on the seat, let's put the belt through the loop in the center strap before buckling. Nice work, pal. Soon you will be airborne. So if you or your little aviators have a fear of flying or of heights, you might want to wait for your party at the arrival gate. Okay, let's review. That is seatbelt, carry-on item, safety strap, fear of heights, keep your hands and arms inside at all times. Anything else? Yeah. Have a nice one.
Soarin to tower. We are ready for takeoff.
Yes, no flash. No flash. It's okay, it's okay. If you want me to, I can take pictures.
behalf of our entire flight crew, thanks for Soarin' Over California.
Did you like the ride?
You unfasten your seatbelt, just push down on the red button on your